Wake up. Wake up. Come on, Tiggy. Let's wake up. Still not waking up. Well, at least I got breakfast already, and I should set the alarm clock, even though it is a Saturday. Sorry. Alarm clock. 30 minutes. So she can sleep at least 30 minutes. Start. Better go now to work. Bye. I'm gonna go to work. What? Should I even woke up from that? Beep 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 beep. Whoa! 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 Beep 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 beep. Oh, my clothes fell. Wait. Is it 6 a.m. already? Is it school today? I thought today was Saturday. I don't think so. I think today's Friday. No, it's only 9 a.m. And it's not Friday. It's Saturday. I guess Mom put the alarm again. I've been sleeping a lot lately. Well, I better get ready. Pancakes! Yum, my favorite. Pancakes, delicious. Only if there were waffles. They'll be better. And I get some orange juice. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. I want to chug this one. I want to chug this orange juice. Okay, I should not have done that. Well, I'm done with that. And I don't want any more orange juice or I'll get more sick. Well, I'm done putting my pancakes plate away. Better go get ready. I got all my clothes up there. There's my happy face headband. There's my pink bow. My yellow bowl. Flower, not bowl. Orange flower. Purple flower. And a purple rose. I have so many flowers. Whoa. So many flowers. Okay, what should I actually choose? Ring, 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 ring. Oh, someone's calling. Ring, 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 ring. Beep. Hello? Hi, it's your friend. Spotty, you're here? Yeah, I'm sorry I woke you up. Nah, my mom put the alarm clock. Why? Because I was sleeping in too much. Didn't your mom go to work? Probably when she was awake and stuff, when she didn't want to work. Okay. Well, I wanted to invite you to the putty park. Putty park? It's this weird gooey substance, it's in the park. Okay. Can you show me a picture of it? Sure, I'll text you. Okay, bye. Bye. Mom will totally not agree with this. Wow, we got a text. Wow, she actually sent it super fast. Looks cool and fun. I'm gonna go. But my mom doesn't let me, so I'm gonna go call her. Baby, ask my mom. Okay, I'm gonna call my mom. Hi, Mom. Sorry about that. Yeah, no, I'm awake already. Yeah. Sorry I didn't put you a speaker. Yeah, sorry about that. But I don't really want you to hear me, so yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Mom, that was my breakfast. My mom, well, not you. I mean, my friend Spotty. She asked me if I can go to the putty park. It looks fun. You heard of it before? Yeah. How long can I go? 5 hours? Thanks, Mom. She'll be picking me up at, I don't really know, but I'll go text her. Bye. Love you. When are you gonna pick me up? Mom already said yes. At 12. Oh wait, never mind. She said, never mind. At 10. 10? I need to get ready now. I'll see you later. Let's just stick with this orange flower. I'm gonna put it on with my green necklace. So I'm gonna change my pajama, which I'll be right back. And then put on my clothes.